Hey guys, this is Giridhar here, and today I'm going to talk about multifunctional multi-device keyboard. It's called the Logitech K480. In my daily life, I need to juggle between devices on and off. But what if there is one single controller to control at least 3 devices in your environment? So that is exactly what this Logitech K480 does for you. Okay, this Logitech K480 keyboard can be paired with almost virtually any device running on different operating system. So it is compatible Android, Windows, Chrome OS, or even the other side, or the iOS or the Mac OS. I can pair up to 3 devices on this keyboard, and you can see that there's a dial here, and this dial is used to switch between these 3 devices. Well, I can't use all these 3 devices at the same time, but then I can use these devices one at a time. At the back, you have the power button, and also the place where you insert your batteries. So I have inserted Duracell batteries, and surprisingly, the K480 promises to you up to 2 years of battery life, and that's on a regular AAA battery. So the keyboard is made of plastic, and it definitely feels solid in the hand. It is slightly heavier. I wouldn't exactly call it a portable device. So there's this small dock wherein you can insert your devices. So I can have a mobile and a tablet, and the material in this docking station is kind of rubbery plastic, so this device doesn't slip off that much easily. So it's got a nice grip to it. So for this video, let me show you how it works seamlessly between 3 devices. So I have my Nexus tablet here, and this is the OnePlus X that is already paired with this device, and also we have the OnePlus One, which is not yet paired. So let's go ahead and pair it with the OnePlus One. So on the dial 1, I have paired it with the OnePlus X. On dial 2, I have paired it with the tablet, and let's move on to the dial 3. And after moving the dial to dial 3, I have to click on the PC for at least 3 seconds, and then you'll see this light blinking continuously. And on the mobile, I have to go to the Bluetooth settings, and the Bluetooth will show you the device, and it's trying to pair. So the moment the pairing screen comes, it will give you a pairing code. So all you have to do is type in the exact pairing code. All paired with keyboard now. You can type in and let's say I have to switch to my tablet now, so I can wake up the screen, but I have to unlock it by touching the actual tablet. And here I am typing in a note. Then I'm going to switch back to the OnePlus, and let me play music. So I can also control the volume, and you can see that it's got almost all the Android keys. You have the home, multitasking, back, or search button here. So with this keypad, you can not only type in, or you can not only control music, you can actually control the device. So you can see that I'm actually navigating between the icons here, and I'm opening up the app drawer. I'm going to a different app here. So yeah, that's how it seamlessly works between the multiple devices here. Well, on the downside, I see that this device has got a kind of a very unusual form factor to it. It's almost squarish. It's I wish it had a real proper size of a keypad, I mean the desktop keypad size, which would give me a much more space between the keypads, and I really love my num keys there, so I need to have my num keys. But I'm not gonna be using this particular keypad while I'm traveling, because it feels a little bit heavier and also chunkier as well. So it is definitely a great buy. I got it in the Chroma retail store for around 2,500 rupees. So, and it is not extensively available online, but yeah, you can get it in any other store. Well, try and get this device if you really are struggling to work between multiple devices, and you really need this device if you love to multitask and multi-traverse between devices at the same time. This is Giridhar signing off, and if you like the video, do hit the subscribe.